Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi setting in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you connect your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone guys. You want to connect guys Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So guys how can you connect and guys how can you use guys your Wi-Fi setting in your Realme phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to connect Wi-Fi network. So as you can see guys this type of setting. So whatever you have to do guys, you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting. So guys tap here and guys you can, and guys your Wi-Fi is off, so guys you will have to turn on, and guys you can on and off your Wi-Fi from here, and guys refresh your Wi-Fi setting first of all. So as you can see guys this type of network. So guys which network guys you have in your phone, and guys you have your at your home guys you have Wi-Fi and guys you want to connect. So as I have guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi, so I will tap here, I will enter password guys. So I enter your Wi-Fi password to connect, and guys you can check your password from here, and right option guys tap here to connect. So after 3 and 4 seconds guys Wi-Fi will connect. You can see connected, and guys you can use guys your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone like guys YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, like that app guys you can use in your Realme phone. So I hope friends have understood how to connect Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.